Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we are going here at the Bamboo Straw to celebrate Ate Jocelyn birthday and Sophia birthday. So come on guys, let's go. I have to mute the music because of the copyright. Here's our two birthday celebrant. And here we come guys, our appetizer. Here's our food, pork, sinigang, eggplant, pancit bihon, and what's that, the fish, and also here's the kari-kari. It's a look delicious.
Wish, happy birthday!
Tapos, Mother, kayo na mag-message para sa lahat.
Oo.
Kayo mag-blessing, oh. Happy birthday sa inyo lahat.
Oo. Ang sabi ni Mano, sana umabot kayo sa taon ng taon ko. Yes, good health!
Good health, ha? Okay. Okay, let's start. Ano yun natin, para kasi maraming mga mukhang gutom na dito sa lalo na ito. Expect na ng
Everybody, let's say happy birthday!
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Tanungin natin mga pangalan nila.
Oo.
Oo. That's it. Oh.
Anong name ni Mother? Edna.
Kailan ang birthday?
15.
September 15.
Naku, this week lang.
Hindi December 15.
December 15.
Charik lang.
Ito naman si beautiful girl.
Anong birthday name mo?
September 6.
September
that's-
6.
That's the week, right? Si
Oo.
Jocelyn.
Jocelyn.
September 3rd.
Third.
Oh, yes.
Ikaw?
September 30.
30.
Oh,
In advance.
malapit na.
Oo.
At si Joyce.
17.
17. Oh. Naka 2 days ago. 19 ngayon.
2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Sabi mo 2 weeks.
2 days.
Parang ang hina ng ulo.
Bakla ka na, bumul ka pa. Oh, ikaw naman, what's your name? Maria, and your birthday? August 13.
Oh, Lord.
A month, or more than a month ago.
Hindi ka ba nakapag-move on sa buhay mo?
Kumbaga sa balot, sisi ka na. Sisiw na, sisiw na.
Sineselebrate niya. Akala ko maldita siya kasi parang suplada.
Oo.
Maganda pero parang nananampal ng katulong, di ba? Hindi ako makalapit.
Ito maganda. Oh, what's your
Ito ang
name?
beautiful girl.
Huh? Risa, your birthday? September 11. August 11! Oo. Oo. Ito naman,
Ito naman.
ba't nandito ka?
Who's siya? Si Al.
September 27.
Oh, tama. Pasok na pasok.
Pasok na pasok.
Ba't di ka nag-bra?
Wala akong prayer.
Wala kang bra ngayon.
Wala.
Dami na namin, no?
Oo.
Parang kami
Kung nagpapa-girl siya, pangalan niya J-Log.
Oo.
Kung nagpapamin, ano?
Fernando.
Welcome sis. Hoy, para mga birthday celebrants.
And the following day, here's our food. Our Sunday night, look at that bar. And here's our food, cooked by my husband, chef. Look at that chicken. Tri-tip,
Vegetables au jus.
Brussels sprouts, potatoes,
And tri-tips au jus.
coleslaw,
And tri-tip au jus.
and mixed vegetables.
How about the tri-tip?
I see the tri-tip. And look at this. Black label with Diet Coke.
And a twist.
And my margarita. And look at the ambience.
That's bacon cured asparagus.
Look at that.
Bacon cured.
That's our backyard. In my date.
Next time we need the better chicken.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it.